Welcome to Smokey's Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do CNC out 3 separate social network logos. We're going to do YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. The reason I'm doing all 3 is before long I'm going to be doing a pretty good size sign for another YouTube channel, and I'm going to incorporate these logos down in the bottom of the sign. And I basically just wanted to see how they cut. I had tried the YouTube in the past, and I was using a V-bit. I love using the V-bits because they do such great detail, and it just didn't come out. It didn't come out right at all. So I went with an end mill this time, and I'm pleased with them. I really like them. So let's get to it. guys, there we go. They all came out really good. I thought the end mill did great. If you'll notice, when I was doing the Facebook one that I was using MDF on it, it was really acting odd. I was thinking that the end mill I was using was getting dull. Turns out that it's just a cheaper MDF and it just doesn't take to the cutting as well. And I was pretty comfortable with the way the designs came out. So you'll notice on the third one I use a piece of alder, and when you actually use wood, I mean, it really comes out sharp, real clean. I had to do very little sanding, and I thought it came out great. So be looking for the YouTube sign that I'm going to make here in the future. It's going to be pretty good size. I'm hoping it comes out as good as the rest of the stuff has so far. And guys, if you hadn't subscribed yet, please look down below and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.